We think about fresh air in houses. The old days, we used to open up our windows or have leaky buildings just moving air through the structure. But today, things have gotten a little different. We realize that better windows and more of them, which are tightly sealed, don't allow fresh air in because we don't operate them like we used to. We also realized that putting in better insulation made us more comfortable and reduced the energy flow in the building that was really not working well or comfortable. We now realize that as we build a tighter enclosure to include but give us control of the indoor environment, we have to realize that ventilation becomes critical. And the way in which we provide ventilation is a couple choices. We look at exhaust ventilation, sometimes putting in a good quality bathroom fan in that's quiet, isolating that ventilation and removing it from the building is an effective way to do that particular ventilation. But what we really have to think about is, how do I bring fresh air into the house and distribute it to the bedrooms and living spaces where people are? The best way to do that, and has been done for a long time now, is to use a device called an energy recovery ventilation system. Now, energy recovery can be used in any climate in the country. It's ideal because what it does is it's able to bring in fresh outdoor air, filter it, and recover the energy and moisture if it's going in the right direction. It is able to take house air, the air that's been polluted from lifestyle, remove that air and blow it to the outside. As it leaves the house, it's transferring inside the core the energy and moisture based on the time of year. Air is filtered from the outside, air is filtering the core from the inside to make sure it stays clean. The systems today also have controls that allow us to adjust and modify the amount of fresh air we want in the way in which works best for our lifestyle. A continuous supply of fresh air, just following the ASHRAE 62 standard, is an important characteristic to follow. Now I've got controlled ventilation. It's quiet, efficient, and healthy. What a great way to add heating, cooling, and now a quality level of ventilation.